Welcome everyone. Today we will rebuild the lower canine. First, we will add the molten wax increment by increment. To fill up all the body of the lower canine. We will start with the labial surface. Now we will start adding wax so that the surface will be at the same level of the cast. Now we will add the canine clasp. These lobes, note that we hold the wax drop until it hardens to maintain its shape, and using the hot instrument we can smoothen out the surface. These lobes must come in contact with the neighboring tooth. By removing the wax left and right, we will have an elevation called labial ridge. On the lingual surface, we will add more wax, guided by the cast and the labial surface of the canine. As you can see, we add increment by increment. Smoothen. We will draw the anatomy by defining the elevations and drawing the fossa. Remove the wax from the fossa so we can have a depression. You can add more wax to pronounce the lingual ridge and the cuspal ridge. Finishing, removing all the excess wax. Note the height of the tip. This is the final lower canine.